One decision. That's all it took. Two people. The same age. The same retirement savings. 20 years later, one of them had nearly $400,000 more. And almost everyone guesses the winner wrong. Imagine you're 58 years old. Retirement isn't a dream anymore. It's right around the corner. You've spent decades working, skipping vacations, paying the mortgage, raising a family. And finally, you've saved $120,000. Now comes the question that could shape the rest of your life. Most videos will tell you that one investment is always better than the other. This isn't one of those videos. Instead, we're going to follow two ordinary retirees through 20 years of real-life challenges, market crashes, unexpected repairs, sleepless nights, and quiet victories. Because the real question isn't, which investment makes the most money? It's, which one helps you sleep better in retirement? Who would you choose right now? If you're in your 50s or 60s, this isn't just another investing debate. It's one of the biggest financial decisions you'll ever make. Should you own real estate? Or let your money grow quietly in the stock market? Today, we're following two fictional retirees through 20 years of real-world investing. Not to prove one strategy is always better, but to discover which one creates the retirement most people actually want. Picture yourself at 58. The mortgage is finally manageable. Retirement is getting closer, and after decades of hard work, you've managed to save $120,000. It may be the biggest investment decision of your life. This isn't about becoming rich overnight. It's about making sure you don't run out of money when the paychecks stop. Meet Sarah. She's 58. She spent 3 decades working, raising a family and carefully saving every extra dollar. To her, real estate feels safe. It's something she can see, touch, pass on to her children. So she decides to use every dollar of her savings as the down payment on a rental property. Sarah doesn't dream about luxury. She dreams about certainty. A monthly rent check, a home that belongs to her, something real. Her friends tell her they're not making any more land. She believes owning property is the safest path to retirement. Now meet David, also 51. Same savings, same retirement goal, but a completely different philosophy. He believes wealth should grow without late-night phone calls, without tenants, without fixing broken roofs. He invests the exact same $120,000 into a low-cost total market index fund, then turns on automatic investing, and goes back to living his life. David sees things differently. He doesn't want another job. He wants freedom. Time is an investment too. Instead of buying one house, he buys tiny pieces of thousands of companies around the world. Right now, most people watching already think they know who made the smarter choice. Maybe you're convinced real estate creates wealth. Maybe you believe index funds always win. But here's what almost every comparison video leaves out. The investment itself wasn't the hardest part. Sticking with it for 20 years was, at first glance, Sarah appears to be winning. She has a house, a tenant, rent coming in every month. David, he has numbers on a screen. Who looks richer? But appearances can be expensive, because what looks like wealth isn't always profit, and what looks boring sometimes becomes extraordinary. The next 20 years will test both of them, not just financially, but emotionally. Over the next 20 years, Sarah will deal with repairs, vacancies, and unexpected expenses she never saw coming. David will watch his portfolio lose hundreds of thousands of dollars during one of the biggest market crashes in history. Both will wonder if they made the biggest financial mistake of their lives. Only one finishes retirement with significantly more wealth. Let's see what happened. 20 years earlier, Sarah and David believed they were choosing between two investments. They weren't. They were choosing the kind of life they wanted to live. Sarah accepted responsibility, phone calls, maintenance, and uncertainty, because owning something tangible gave her confidence. David accepted market swings, headlines, and temporary losses, because simplicity gave him peace. Neither retired because they found a perfect investment. They retired because they committed to a plan and stayed with it. That's the part no chart can measure, because wealth isn't built by finding the perfect opportunity. It's built by giving good decisions enough time to work. If this story made you think differently about your own retirement, subscribe to Rise and Prosper. Every week, we break down real financial decisions with honest numbers and real-world lessons so you can build wealth with confidence, not hype. And before you go, I want to hear from you. If you had $120,000 today, would you buy one rental property, invest in index funds, or split your money between both? Tell us why in the comments. Some of the best retirement advice comes from people who've already lived it.